is He may forgive any of your sin, but the sin of shirk He'll never forgive. This means the only sin that God will never forgive 100% is associating partners with God.
Sure.
So if you believe in one God, don't associate partners, but do not believe in Prophet Muhammad. Can you go to heaven?
Yes.
Chances are there very bleak. Maybe 0.0000001%. I can't say 100% no, because if you're not doing shirk, the other verses talk about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Yeah.
So if you truly believe, you have to believe in Prophet Muhammad.
Yes.
But if you ask me no, suppose I believe in God and if I die today,
Yes.
if you did good deeds, you believed in God, chances are there very, very little. Like you jump from the 100th floor, chances you live is there.
Yes.
How
So
much
how much are the chances
How much are the chances?
of getting saved
How
in
much
that
is
state?
it? So if you jump from the Burj,
Yeah.
Burj of Dubai,
And then you're going to go to hell. I mean, then
No,
you're going to die.
not die. Can you live? Yet you can live. Chances is 0.001%.
Yes.
So the same chances here.
But
الذين أهل الكتاب الذين كانوا في وقت رسول الله وماتوا على دين عيسى
من أهل النار
هل لا يعني كانوا يوحدون ولكن ما أدركهم الإسلام، ما أدركهم يعني
اللي ماتوا على دين عيسى وعلى دين موسى لهم الجنة. هم اللي أدركوا محمد ولم يؤمنوا به لهم النار. نسأل الله العافية. يقول صلى الله عليه وسلم: والذي نفسي بيده لا يسمع بي أحد من هذه الأمة يهودي ولا نصراني ثم يموت ولم يؤمن بالذي أرسلت به إلا كان من أهل النار. نسأل الله العافية.